हेलो दोस्तों, आपका स्टडी स्मार्ट चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम लोग लॉजिकल फंक्शन एंड के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। ये कैसे काम करता है, कोई कंडीशन को किस प्रकार से चेक करता है, इसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। ये बुलियन के फॉर्म में, ट्रू या फॉल्स के फॉर्म में किसी भी कंडीशन को चेक करके रिजल्ट देता है। Now we will understand this with an example. Suppose there are two numbers, number 1 and number 2. These are 0 and 100. और यहाँ पे एक तीसरा नंबर है, नंबर 3, which is 45. अब हमें इस एंड फंक्शन को अप्लाई करके इन नंबर्स में देखना है कि किस तरह से रिजल्ट आता है। तो कैसे एंड फंक्शन यूज करते हैं? इज इक्वल टू एंड दिस इज ग्रेटर देन दिस, comma, this is less than this. Then it will show some result. If this inequality will be true, then it will give true result. If this inequality will be wrong, then it will give wrong result. Then what it is giving? It is giving true result. Suppose this digit we increase and make it 150, then what will it will say? It will say it is a false statement. Now, one more thing, I will make both of the conditions wrong, or I will make both of the conditions true, then I will see what results we are going to get. First condition, you have seen that both of the conditions were true in case of number 45. Then it is giving a, when both the conditions are true, then it will be giving a true result. Suppose मैं कहता हूं I2 is greater than H2 and I2 is less than G2. ये both conditions are wrong. I2 is less than G2 and I2 is greater than H2. Then what result it will give? It will give false result. So इसकी अगर हम ट्रुथ टेबल बनाएं, अगर पहला स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, दूसरा स्टेटमेंट भी करेक्ट है, देन इट विल गिव ट्रू रिजल्ट। अगर पहला स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, दूसरा स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, देन इट विल गिव फॉल्स रिजल्ट। व्हेन पहला स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है, दूसरा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, देन अगेन इट विल गिव false result. When both the statements are wrong, then it will give false statement. So this is the total functionality of AND function. Now with a small example we'll try to understand and see how it shall be applied in a practical situation. We'll take an example of class. अब बच्चे परीक्षा में अपीयर होते हैं, परीक्षा देते हैं और परीक्षा देने के बाद उनका रिजल्ट आता है। तो कुछ बच्चे पास हो जाते हैं फर्स्ट डिवीजन से, कुछ सेकंड से, कुछ थर्ड से, कुछ विद डिस्टिंक्शन। और अगर किसी क्लास में 200-300 बच्चे हैं, सेक्शन ए बी सी डी मिला के, और उन सब का रिजल्ट तैयार करना है, तो एक एक बच्चे का एनालाइज करके उसका रिजल्ट लेके आना एक टीडियस वर्क है। इस रिजल्ट को एंड फंक्शन की के यूज के द्वारा कितनी आसानी से तैयार किया जा सकता है, ये हम अब देखेंगे। तो किसी भी परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण होने के लिए दो क्राइटेरिया यूज किए जाते हैं। क्राइटेरिया वन क्या होता है? व्हेन मार्क्स आर ग्रेटर देन 0। एंड क्राइटेरिया टू क्या होता है? व्हेन मार्क्स आर लेस देन 30। यहाँ पे है ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0। व्हेन लेस देन 30 तो क्या होगा रिजल्ट? रिजल्ट होगा फेल। When marks are greater than or equal to 30 and less than 50 तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा? थर्ड डिवीजन। When marks are greater than or equal to 50 and less than 60 then क्या होगा? It will be a second division. When marks are greater than or equal to 60 and less than 75 then it will be a first division. And when marks are greater than or equal to 75 and less than and equal to 100 then it will be first with distinction. Okay. So normally any result is analyzed based on these two criteria. Now I'll write here one practical example. There is a class and there are some students who are studying in that class. Their names are Sita, Geeta, Rama, Shyama, Ram, Shyam, Neeraj, Dheeraj, Sonu, Monu, like that. There are these are the name of some students who are studying in one class, and they are getting the marks like this. They have got the marks 80, 65, 70, 75, 55, 43, 32, 77, 24 and 50. Suppose these are the marks which students have got in an examination. Now how I will be analyzing? We will be analyzing result with the help of AND function. Here I have to write two functions. One if, which we have studied earlier, and another function AND. With the combination of these two functions, we will analyze the result. How it will be? If is equal to if the marks obtained are greater than or equal to 0 if and these marks are greater than equal to 0, comma, these marks are less than 30, then क्या रिजल्ट होगा? फेल. Similarly, if these marks are and these marks are greater than or equal to 30, these marks are less than 50, then what it will be? It will be a third division. Comma, if and this is greater than or equal to 50, comma, this is less than 60, then what it will be? It will be a second division. Again, if and this is greater than or equal to 60, comma, this is less than 75, then what will be the result? It will be a first class. Again, if this is greater than or equal to 75, comma, this is less than or equal to 100, then it will be a first with division. Else, if all these conditions are not met, then we will try to have a blank there. Now we will be checking this one, whether this inequality is correct or not. This is first. This will close all the brackets. And I was missing here. That's why it was not showing a correct result. Now you see what result we are getting? First with division. Now we will copy this formula in another cell. 65 first, 70 first with distinction. Okay, I have to make a correction again. First with distinction, then it will show a correct result. I will copy now this one. Just see, first with distinction. So again we will be moving ahead. Then we are getting second, 55 second, 43 third, 32 third, 77 first with distinction, 24 fail, and 50 again second. But by using and if, we can analyze the marks obtained and convert those marks into result in a very easy way. So I hope this presentation would be beneficial to you all. Keep watching for the next video. Thank you.